Welcome to a gentle home, a place where kindness is prompted by love. Today I really wanted to talk to you a little bit about having a home that's welcoming. When I was a new wife and mom, one of my primary influences was author Emily Barnes. She was to me the epitome of a godly woman. I devoured every book she wrote and even attended a couple of her conferences. I know a few of you know Emily Barnes because you've written to me about it. Since both Emily and I were Southern California girls, I even drove out one time to her ranch home in Riverside, California, and peeked through the bushes just to get a peek at where she actually lived. If you knew me in real life, this wouldn't surprise you. Remind me to tell you the story of how I found a woman in a magazine who also lived in Southern California, tracked her down, and we became lifelong friends. So this is not something that's unusual for me. Back to Emily. One of my favorite books of hers was entitled Welcome Home, Creating Your Own Place of Beauty and Love. Its chapters are just filled with ways to create beauty and a sense of comfort in every single room of your house. It includes pictures of her warm and charming and colorful home. And at the time, I did my best to recreate her style in our first home. So flash forward to today. Through the eyes of someone who has been through the Southwest decor, mauve and sage green, and the whole Joanna Gaines white farmhouse look, and here I find myself in a new home, smack dab where I started, where I always felt most at home, recreating a warm and colorful environment. I love this quote from Emily Barnes' book, Welcome Home. When you make yourself at home, you surround yourself with the people you love, the objects you cherish, the memories that warm you, and the ideas that motivate you. You work to create a nest that helps you be happy and productive, an environment that rests you and renews you. You choose to invest your time, your care, your loving energy to keep your nest clean and warm and welcoming. Doesn't that sound like home? I recently purchased Welcome Home again. I think I gave the original copy to a newly married from our church years and years ago. And I have spent so much time looking through the pages, rereading certain portions of the book, and beginning the process of creating a home that says to me, welcome home, welcome here. This time it's not going to be an imitation of Emily Barnes or anyone else's style, but a home that reflects my heart. And since I'm a longtime empty nester, that my husband is also comfortable in. Question for you. Looking back, what style of the decades most captures your heart? And does your home look like that today, or does it look like the latest style? Or have you perhaps just kind of given up because you know, budgets are tight or time is tight or you've just been there for so long or whatever reason, have you just kind of let your home go kind of stale? My second question is, what's stopping you from creating that home today? I say it's time to recapture the ambience that most says to you, welcome home.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors.
And I will try to find a link to that biscotti recipe that I made today. They were absolutely delicious. If I find it, because I've had the recipe for a very long time, I will link it in the, what's that section called? If you're new around here, of course, I'd love to have you subscribe. As always, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.